Today we are going to see 7th standard English term 2. The lessons available in these terms are, what are they? What are they? We will see the contents. Prose, Adventures of Don Quixote. Then a poem,
The
a
poem
poem of adventure. What do you mean by adventure? An act of bravery. An act of bravery. Okay. The one which you do not know and excited to know. Okay. Then supplementary book, that is Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland. Then the second lesson,
The last
the
stone.
last stone carver. Carver means the person who is engraving on the stone. Who is engraving on the stone. A type of a sculpture. Okay. Then wandering singers. Wandering means traveling. Wandering singers. The singers who are traveling around. This is a poem. Then we have a supplementary, Naya, the home of Chitrakars. Okay. So we will see the adventure of Don Quixote. The adventure of Don Quixote. We will study this one first. We will read this one first. This is a story. Okay. Once upon a time, in a village called La Mancha in Spain. There is a village in Spain. Okay. Spain is a European country, isn't it? There lived a man who loved to read about knights. What is knights? Brave people. தமிழ்ல என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? வீரர்கள். Knight means வீரர்கள். வீரர், போர் வீரர்கள். Every day he would read about courageous knights and the incredible adventures they had. Okay. Every day he will read the story of those knights. Okay, because they are brave people. Okay. He was so absorbed in these stories that he hardly remembered to eat and sleep. He heard the stories in such a way that he forgot to eat and sleep. That much involvement in reading that brave stories. Yes. The day of nights. You see, K is silent. K night. It is not K night, it is nights. K is silent. Yes.
K is silent.
Yes. The days of knights and squires of exciting adventures and romances came alive in the hilarious account of Don Quixote's travels. Don Quixote is a man. Hilarious means laughable, comedy like. Okay. நகைச்சுவை மிகுந்த. Okay. நகைச்சுவையான in Tamil. Okay. As year passed, Don Quixote imagines himself placed in the world of knights. So Don Quixote imagined himself, pretended himself that he is in the world of knights. Okay. He convinces Sancho Panza, a peasant from the same village, to be his squire. What is squire? What do you mean by squire? A man in high social standing who owns and lives on an estate in a rural area. Landowner of such area. Okay. A big landlord, nothing else. Yeah? Big landlord. Okay. Now, and together they set out to seek their fortune. Don Quixote, eager to be the best chivalrous knight. What is chivalrous? Courteous and gallant, especially towards women. Maryadai Mikka. Okay. This delightful story of chivalry is all fun and pleasure, laughter and excitement, farce and suspense. Okay. You have to see the meaning of all these things. Okay. All these new words. Okay. Comedy. Farce means comedy. Keli Kuttu. Okay. Quixote.
Soma.
Sancho.
Sancho.
Sancho is another man who is a landlord, or his name is Chivalry. Chivalry. Okay. Hmm? Sancho, how would you like to become my servant and accompany me on the great adventure? Sancho asked, your servant? Sancho, yes. If you serve me faithfully and honestly, I will reward you with an island.
An island Talos.
An island? Are you serious? I vow. I vow it upon my honor as a knight. What is this? This is not a vow. This is delete.
The VOW.
VOW. VOW. What is VOW? A promise. VOW means vow. Vow means a promise. A promise. Yes. சூளுரை அல்லது சபதம் in Tamil. Okay. I vow it upon my honor as a knight. I promise you as a knight. So will you come with me? Then yes, master, I will come with you. The two men set out a journey together. On a hill in front of them, they could see a large old windmill. There was a hill in front of them, and they saw a old large windmill. You know what is windmill? It is usually used for producing electric current, isn't it? When he saw it, Don Quixote's eye began to sparkle. Okay, began to shine. Yes, shine in exclamation. Shine means not literally shining. Okay, Quixote, look, Sancho, how dare the hideous orgy block our path? Dare means தைரியம். என்ன தைரியம் இருக்கும் அது நம்மளை மறைக்கிறதுக்கு. That is the thing. What? An orgy? Augury? Where, master? What is augury? Augury means a great man, an asuran. Avi, Vilangu, Mirugam. That is the meaning they put. Okay. The one which is not human. Okay. Animal like thing. Okay. Animal like thing. Now, what? An orgy? Where, master? Right there. Do you see that awful creation waving it with foam on? So he wrongly understood that the windmill is an orgy. Okay. Windmill is an orgy. He thought that it is an orgy. Augury. Okay. Sir, augur. Okay. Sancho. But master, that's a windmill. He said, Sancho told, but master, that's the windmill. Quixote, I tell you, these are augurs, and if you are afraid of them, go aside and say your prayers while I engage them in combat. That is, combat means fighting. You want to fight with the windmill. Can you fight with the windmill? But he tries to fight with the windmill. Master, that is windmill. Unfortunately, Sancho shouts and warnings pass unheard, which means he shouts. Sancho shouts, but Quixote didn't hear that one. Don Quixote and Roquine charged the windmill at full speed. What do you mean by charge here? They are going towards the windmill very fastly in an attacking mood. Okay. If something is charging means going in an attacking mode. Okay. Attacking force. Prepare to face my spear. Agree? Prepare to face my spear. Like that. He is telling and he is continue to go. Spear means
Spear means
A type of weapon which is used for fighting and hunting. Okay. Murugan spear. What is it?
Murugan Swami.
Yes. What does he have?
Yeah. Well.
Yes. Tamil it is called veil.
Veil.
Okay. So spear. Okay. So he is charging with that one. Okay. With that, Don Quixote fly towards the windmill and collide with it. So what happened? He collided with the windmill. Sancho, master, are you all right? See, I told you it was just a windmill. Did I not? So Sancho was telling, master, that is just a windmill. Why you are fighting with that? Like that, he is asking. Give you a fair warning. Did I not give you a fair warning? Did I not tell you that they were but windmills? I told you, no, this is just a windmill. It is not an animal or it is not an augury. You are telling something like that. Tolstoy. Look, Sancho, the augury is more seriously wounded than I am. In fact, the windmill is worked perfectly fine. Sancho does his best to dissuade Don Quixote from attempting anything else reckless. What do you mean by this? Dissuade? Making somebody not to do something. Making somebody not to do something. He is protecting. Please don't do it. Please don't do it, like that. He continuously tries to fight with that windmill, you know. So Sancho does his best. Sancho does his best to dissuade. Please don't do it. From attempting anything reckless. Reckless means Aitiyakarathanamaga. Madri. Yes. Sancho. Ha ha ha. Oh, you are absolutely right. You are a great knight indeed, and you have defeated the fearsome windmill beast. So, beast means a tiger is a beast. Okay, an animal, or the one which is very big. Okay. After hitting his head in the windmill, Don Quixote became even more disoriented. So that windmill fan hit his head, so he became disoriented. Okay. Then Quixote, listen to me, Sancho. Someday people will write of our great exploits. He think about that the people will read his history. He thought in that way. Okay. Our names will live in the memories of generations to come. Our names will live in the people's mind, like that he is telling. But we must provide worthy of that honor by vanquishing villains and upholding justice. Do you understand? What is vanquishing villains? Alittal, removing from the vision. Okay. Vision means parvai. Vanquish. Making or defeating somebody. Villains means bad people. Villain means bad people.
Bad people.
Yes. Then, do you understand? Sancho said, yes, master. As Don Quixote and Sancho pass afar, they see a thick cloud of dust appear. Thick cloud of dust. Kuppa appeared in the air. Okay, thus Don tells him that he is undoubtedly a prodigious army marching in their direction. What do you mean by prodigious? அற்புதமான, அளவு மிக்க, மிகப்பெரிய. Okay, very big. Undoubtedly a prodigious army marching in their direction. He thought, by seeing the dust, he thought that the army is marching towards them. Okay. Ask him, do. Why? We must at once go to the help of the weaker side, of course. Okay. Don start to name the leaders and principal knights in each army and describe the different nations represented. Sancho, but sir, Not a single one of the knights and giants that you have named do I see at all. I didn't see anybody, like that he is telling, because it is a dust. How now? At least you must hear the knights of steeds. Knights
Steed.
of steed. What do you mean by steeds? Horse. Horse being ridden or available for riding. This. What do you mean by that? At least you must hear the neighing of steeds, the sound of trumpets. What do you mean by neighing of steeds? Kanaithal, kudarai kanaikirathu. Okay. A group of
A group of
horses
horses
when it is
when it is
making noise
making
that
noise.
becomes neighing. Neigh of seeds. The sounds of trumpets. What do you mean by sound of trumpets? Either it may be from the drum or it may be from the elephants. Okay, trumpet means that one. Elephant's shout is called trumpet. What do you mean by trumpet? Elephant's sound. Pilirugal. The sound of an elephant is called trumpet. Okay, right. Then Sancho told, what I hear nothing but the bleating of many sheep and lambs. What do you mean by bleating of sheep and lambs?
Sheep.
Bah, bah, like that only sheep and lambs will shout. But those sounds, how Quicksart hearing? He is hearing that the sounds of horses and sounds of elephants.
Elephants.
Okay, that is trumpets and
Horses and
steeds.
elephants.
And the rattling of drum.
Winding
Dum 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 dum, like that he heard. But Sancho heard nothing. Quicksart told, your fears prevent from you from hearing and seeing. All right, but if you refuse to follow me to the battle, stand aside and I will go alone. Your fear make you not to hear those sounds, like that he is telling Quicksart. But really that lambs are bleating. Okay, he wrongly telling this Quicksart. If you are fearing, you stay here. I will go and fight, like that Quicksart is telling. Sancho telling, hold, sir, I come back. I entreat. What madness is this? They are verily but sheep and lambs. They are verily but sheep and lambs. There are no horses, there are no elephants, but only sheep and lambs are available. Don't go there. Like that he is telling. Okay. Don Quixote set spurs to Rocinante. What is spurs? Spurs to Rocinante and charge into the midst of the sheep. Spurs mean முள்ளு முள்ளா இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு பொருள். Don Quixote set spurs to Rocinante and charged into the midst of the sheep. At this, the frightened animals flee, helter-skelter, in all directions. They flee. Flee means going mad at all directions. Okay. Nothing. See, you have doves in the morning. Okay. When you are going near there, what is happening? They fly in all directions with fear. Same thing. Okay. Flee, helter-skelter in all directions, and the shepherds see the cause of the disorder, pursue Don Quixote with the shower of such well-aimed stones that soon he fall down to the ground. What do you mean by that? He went there near to the sheep and lambs. Okay. So what happened? The lambs and the sheep just going around all places with fear. So on seeing that shepherd means ஆடு மேய்க்கிறவன். What do you mean by shepherd? ஆடு மாடு மேய்ப்பவர். So what they saw that one and took the stones and throw into Don Oxy. So that fell into his head. Okay, he was wounded and fell down. Okay, look, see, ha ha ha. Did you see the cowards run? They are right to fear. Don Quixote, he thought madly that they are fearing. The local peasants all think Don Quixote is crazy. They laugh and taunt as he passes. The local people who are seeing that action, they thought, "Rakkirikam poran paru," like that they thought. Okay.
அதுக்கு எடுக்க போறது
So peasant 1, what he says, peasant 2, what he says. So look at this Don Quixote, the madman. Hey, Sir Knight, what kind of beast did you defeat this time? They're asking one by one. Peasant, did you finally get this evil ship? Ha ha ha, all of them. Hail the mad knight, Don Quixote, ha ha ha. பைத்தியக்கார வீரனை வாழ்த்துவோம். Like that they are telling. Don Quixote did not understand and think the people are cheering for him.
சரிங்களா
Cheering. They are praising for them. அவனை வாழ்த்துறாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறான், ஊக்குவிக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறான். But that is not the case. Quick, Sir Sancho, look, see how the people welcome us. They must have heard of our great deeds. Like that, Quixote is thinking. Sancho, oh no, master. Listen very carefully. They are not welcoming us. They are mocking at you. Mocking na unna கேவலப்படுத்துறாங்க, கேலி செய்யறாங்க. Mocking means கேலி.
பண்ணுவாங்க.
Mocking means கேலி. ஓகே, உன்னை வாழ்த்தல, உன்னை கேலி செய்யறாங்க. Like that Sancho is telling. Quixote, Sancho, when will you see the truth? Sancho, enough is enough. போதும். Please, master. Very well. We shall speak no more on this today, but we need more adventures, Sancho. Like that he is telling. Then Sancho said, yes, master, we need more adventures. Returned to his estate, Don Quixote realized that all his adventures were simply the product of his imagination. Returned to his estate, Don Quixote, then only he realized that all are imagination. Okay, not real things. Don Quixote never embarrassed himself further by doing on any more quests. But his house will always be full of children to whom he would tell the most fantastic stories about knights, squires, and noble quests. Okay? They live happily together, going on many more adventures in their imagination, not in real. Okay? So everything was in imagination. Don Quixote never embarrassed himself further by going any more quests, but his house will always be with full of children, and he is telling lot of stories to those children. Okay, this is the story. Whether the story is a real one or imagination? Yes.
இதே இங்க போட்டு
Tell me, glossary. These things you wrote, Pinga. How?
not
Okay. Knights. A man who served his lord as a mounted soldier in armor. Veeran. Veeran in Tamil. Okay. A soldier. Okay. With armor. Armor means por karuvi. Okay. Padai karuvi. Okay. Incredible. Unbelievable. Incredible means unbelievable. நம்ப முடியாத. Unbelievable. Okay, this is incredible. Spelling mistake. Then hilarious, laughable. Okay, hilarious means laughable. நகைச்சுவை மிகுந்த. See, amusing, entertaining. Funny. Ogre, monster or giant. Ogre means monster or giant. Very big. Okay. Very big animal or whatever it may be. Anything. Then combat. Combat means fighting. Combat means fighting between armed force. Okay. Prodigious. Impressively great in extent. Prodigious. What is the real meaning? பேராற்றல் வாய்ந்த. Very large and powerful. Very large and powerful. See, this is impressively great and extent. Very large and Powerful. Steed, horse that is ridden. Ridden or ready for riding. Horses that are available for riding. Okay, that is steeds. Spurs, a device with a small spike or spiked wheel in that worn urging a horse toward. அடுத்தது read and understand. Answer the following question. With this, the lesson is over. Okay, good. We will see the questions. We will try to answer that one. What kind of book did Don Quixote likes to read? What were these books like?
Storybook.
He wants to read the storybook and the book of knights.
Nice.
Okay. போர் வீரர்கள் பற்றி படிக்க விரும்பப்பட்டான். Okay. What effect do the things Don Quixote reads have on him? These books made him that imagine himself as a knight. இந்த புத்தகம் அவனை என்னவா பண்ணினது? தானே ஒரு போர் வீரன்னு திங்க் பண்ணிக்கிற மாதிரி அந்த புத்தகங்கள்லாம் பண்ணது. ஓகே. Why did Don Quixote believe Sancho Panza when Sancho told him the augurs were actually windmills? Why didn't Don Quixote believe? He thought that the other things are monsters are in front of him. So whatever, so he believed in that way, wrongly believe in that way. Why do you think Sancho continued to journey on with Don Quixote after the windmill incident? Why did you think Sancho continued to journey on with Don Quixote after windmill hitting him? He didn't want to get more injury. He didn't want to get more injury from the windmill. That is why he asked him to, yes, you are doing good job with you made a good fight with the windmill. Come, let's go, like that. He brought along with him. Okay. When did Don Quixote see the cloud of dust on the plain in the distance? What does he think causes it? Actually, what is the dust? It is the group of lambs and sheep. So by seeing that one, he thought that the big thing is coming, big army is coming towards him. Like that, he is wrongly thought. Okay, then Sancho sees two clouds of dust, leading him to conclude that they are two armies. What does Don Quixote think will happen next? What are all the two clouds of dust? Sheep cloud and lamb cloud. But how did he think? What are all they? Seeds of horses
and
sounds of trumpets
elephants
and rattles of drums. He thought in all those things. What does Don Quixote think will happen next? He is going to beat all those three things, isn't it? What is the reaction of the shepherds when see that Don Quixote is attacking their sheep? Why this madman is fleeing inside that sheep and lambs? They took the stones and threw towards Don Quixote and made that Don Quixote to fell down, isn't it? Okay.
think and do.
What is think and do? What you have to do? Most people associate windmill with Holland rather than Spain. Use the encyclopedia and any other sources you might have to find out more about windmills. What do you have to do? You have to see what is windmill in the internet and check out that one. Okay. And their tradition of modern uses. Then make a model of the windmill to display with a result of your research. Okay. You have to make Windmill yourself. How will it look? Hmm? Draw the design of the board that skim trash. That skims trash of the
Surface.
surface of the river, lake, or ocean. Label the parts and give your invention in catchy name. What kind of vessel could do the job? What parts would it have? How would it move? How could it tell the difference between trash and other objects such as animals and seaweed? Kadal Pasi, a type of plant which will grow in a sea. Okay. How would it store and dump the trash? Could your machine double as a beach sweeper, shifting trash from sand? வாட்டர்ல இருந்து குப்பையை எடுக்கிறது. Okay.
தண்ணில.
So you draw a design. See, skim trash of the surface of the river, lake, or ocean. Label the parts like that. He's telling. Now we will see vocabulary. Vocabulary. You see. See, what is see?
See,
பார்க்கிறது. Then what is this see?
கடல்.
Kadal. Very good. You can see the birds flying over the sea. You can see the birds flying over the sea. Then night. Night means we run. Night means iravu. So you have to form a sentence. How will you form a sentence? You tell one sentence with night and night. Knights will also fight at night. Knights will also fight at night. Right.
Right side.
Right. I can
see
write
right
with right hand. I can write with right hand. Okay. Then arms. Arms means kai. Arms. Clothing or food or money that is given to poor people. Helping. Okay. I will do arms with arms. Fair. Fair means price, money. F-A-R-E. F-A-I-R means beautiful. F-A-I-R. You have to check the dictionary. Okay, what is fair and what is F-A-R-E, and then you have to write the sentence based on that one. Right? Then here. Here means inga. Here means
கேக்குது.
Okay. Then heard and heard. H-E-A-R-D and H-E-R-D. I heard. I already know. Okay. H-E-I-R-D. Then heard. What is mean by heard? கூட்டம். மாட்டு கூட்டம், ஆட்டு கூட்டம் சொல்றாங்கல்ல. The herd of animals, herd of elephants. Okay. That is a difference, right? Then our. What is our?
நாங்க.
எங்களோட. our. அல்லது நாங்க. ours. our. money. clock. clock. time. No means
இல்ல.
opposite of yes. இல்ல. No means தெரிந்தது. Okay. Not means இல்ல. Not means கட்டு. கயிறு கட்டு. Like that. Okay. Homonyms are spelled the same way but different in meaning. What is this? This is homophone. What do you mean by this? Homophone means same sound. See, what is homophone? Homophones are two words that are spelled differently but have same sound. They have spelled differently but same sound. You see, homonyme.
are spelled
spelled the same way but different in meaning. Okay. Wound, injury. Wound, past tense of wind. Wound means injury. Wound means past tense of wind. Wind, wound, wound. Okay. There is a fire arts and craft fair thing this weekend. There is a fire arts and crafts fair this weekend. What do you mean by this? What is this fair tells and what is this fair? This fair means beautiful. This fair means exhibition. Okay. There is a fair arts and craft exhibition this weekend. Okay. Same spelling with different meaning. Correct? Fair means good. Huh? Another fair is exhibition like things. Trade fair like that they will tell. Okay. Then sa. The woodcutter. Seek past tense is sa.
sa.
Then what is another sa? Sa means cutting.
Cutting. Seesaw.
The woodcutter saw a huge saw in him. In his dream. He saw a huge saw. Saw means அறுக்கிறது. Then write. Write the right answers on the right side. Write the correct answers. Here this right is correct answers on the right side, right hand side. Okay. The well was dug by a well-known king. What do you mean by well here? Kinaru. Well. What is this? The well was dug.
Ducking the
Kinaru tondu.
round.
Dig. Dig past tense is dug. Okay.
D-A-G.
D-I-G.
D-I.
Dig. Digging.
Digging.
Okay. The well was dug by a well-known king. Here well means kinaru. This well means nangu arinda, known better. Okay. We have March past in March.
March and I have March.
What is March and this March? This March is month. Second March is month. What is first March?
I
We
have
crossed.
castle.
We crossed. Okay. March past means we crossed. Okay. We crossed March month and reached April. Can you get me a can? Can you
Can you give me a can?
Can. உன்னால முடியுமா? Can means
Elpan.
a vessel. Can. Water can. Oil can. Same spelling with a different meaning. Okay. Then how long will the live fish live without food?
Water.
Live fish live without food. Live fish னா என்ன? உயிரோட இருக்கிற மீன். எவ்வளவு நேரம் வாழும்? Here living fish. Live means life. Live means life.
Life.
இது உயிரோட இருக்கிற.
Mean.
She has tears in his eyes. You see? She has tears in his eyes and she tears old photos. Tears means கண்ணில் இருக்கிற தண்ணி, கண்ணீர். Okay, eye drops. That is tears. Then second tear is கிழிக்கிறது. Split into two. Okay. Two or more. Okay, tears. கிழித்தல். Okay. I will be second in line if I wait one more second.
I am
நானு இரண்டாவது இடம். செகண்ட் என்ன? இரண்டாவது இடம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செகண்ட். இரண்டாவது இடத்துக்கு வருவேன். ஒரு செகண்ட், ஒரு நொடி வெயிட் பண்ணா, ஒரு நொடி வெயிட் பண்ணா நான் செகண்ட் இடத்துக்கு வந்துருவேன். See, I will be second in line if I wait one more second. One more second. Okay, first second is position. First and second. Second is time.
time.
Time. Okay. Next one. Syllable is a unit of pronunciation, not pronunciation. Pronunciation. Syllable is the unit of pronunciation having one vowel sound with or without surrounding consonants, forming the whole or part of the word. For example, there are two syllables in water. Water.
Water.
Wa and ter. What do you say in Tamil?
10 years.
Pagupadam, Pagapadam. You are telling, you are able to split the words. Okay? Pagupadam, Pagapadam. Like that, here also you are doing a syllable. Okay? You see, adventure. Adventure. Okay? You have adventure. Like that. How many syllables?
3 syllables.
Adventure. It will contain a one vowel. Okay. How many vowel? One vowel. How many vowel? One vowel. How many vowels? Two vowels. U and E. Okay. So, courageous. Courageous. See, ka. Here. Two vowels. Re. One vowel. Yes.
Yes.
Three vowels.
3 vowels?
Yes.
What 3 vowels?
E-O-U.
G?
G is not a vowel. It is a consonant. Okay.
Yes.
Then incredible. Incredible.
Dibble.
Okay.
3 syllables.
Okay. Then night.
Night.
K-N-I-G-H-T. That's all.
Only one.
Same thing. Only one. Then you try all these things. Okay. You try all these things. It should contain at least one vowel. Okay. It should contain one vowel with or without surrounding consonant. Here nothing. Night. That's all. Only one syllable. Okay. Then hilarious. Hilarious.
Yes.
Then
S.
excite.
Yes.
Excitement. Okay. Then peasant
Recent.
or peasant. Peasant.
And the recent.
Peasant means vivasayi, ulavan. Okay. Kudiyanavan. Like that it will come. Then
Image.
imagine. Imagine. Then shepherd. Shepherd. Okay. Then entreat. Entreat. E-N-T-R-E-A-T separate. Two syllable. Okay. Then listen to your teachers reading, passing the adventure trips, visualize the activities, draw the scenes. Okay. Water activities, bonfire, rock climbing. You have to draw these things. Mountain biking. Okay. What is the next thing? Speaking. Look at the storyboard. Read the description of the simple machines that we will see
Later.
later.